Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So today we will be unboxing this kitchen airtight storage container from Lazada. So first and foremost, we have to check if the item is not damaged. So first item pa lang gani daan, very airtight na gid kay siya kay lisod ko og abli. So kani nga canister nag-range sa price nga 58 pesos to 107 pesos. Depende sa inyong nga sizes inyong paliton. Available ni siya sa 460 ml, 700 ml, 1300 ml. So, if you're looking for a clutter-free kitchen cabinet organizer, guys, I suggest to get the square types of canister. But, depende raghapon na sa inyo guys, kung asa mo prefer o canister. But for me, these are the perfect stackable canister so far. Kay medyo gamay ra gid ta og space diri sa ato ang kitchen. Ug affordable price ra gyud kaayo siya guys. So akong i-link sa description below ang shop kung asa nako siya napalit. And you better check out this one also guys. And I guess this is it for today's video. So I hope nalingaw mo sa to ang little unboxing. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you on the next one. Bye and thank you.